is Ilona and I will show you our LED Line EasyFix panels and tell you about the 7 most important features of this product. This LED panel will fit into most existing mounting holes thanks to the adjustable mounting rail. You can fit the 6-watt LED panel into a wide range of mounting holes with a diameter from 55 to 90 mm. The 12-watt LED panel can be installed in mounting holes between 60 to 135 mm. The 18-watt will fit into 60 to 185 mm and the 24-watt into 60 to 260 mm. LED Line EasyFix panel can be surface mounted or flash mounted. Only you choose how you want to install your LED panel. The installation method can be customized to your individual needs. Thanks to the adjustable mounting springs, you can fit the LED panel into existing mounting holes. A built-in linear driver is a space-saving solution which facilitates panels assembly. An additional steel suspension cable will help install the panel securely. You can hang the panel using the steel cable provided and connect the wires easily. Prepare the hole according to desired size and shape. Put the slidable springs on the bracket and slide the springs to adjust its position according to size of hole. Insert the springs with bracket into the ceiling. Connect the lamp to power supply. Push the lamp directly into the bracket. The installation is done. Before uninstall, turn off the power. Slowly pull out the lamp. Fix the bracket on the ceiling. Connect the lamp to power supply. And push the lamp directly into the bracket. Clicking sound indicates the installation is done. How to uninstall? Don't take out the lamp from any one side of the self-lock area. Press one side of the lamp frame perpendicular to the bracket, then take out the lamp from the opposite side. It's done! The LED Line EasyFix panel's casing is made of the highest quality UV radiation resistant material. The housing therefore remains pure white color for many years. The use of thermally conductive material guarantees effective heat dissipation. The LED Line EasyFix panels comes with the daylight white color and warm white color. If you wish to increase your effectiveness at work, choose the 4000 kelvins LED panel. Some rest. The 2700 LED panels creates relaxing and homely atmosphere, so it will be an ideal fit for this purpose. We take care of your eyes. No flickering effect will ensure your well-being and prevent irritation. LED line panels with flicker-free technology fosters focus while working or studying. LED line panels guarantee the highest lighting parameters. Wide beam angle of 120 degrees and pleasant light with high color rendering index greater than 80 are only a few of the advantages. Very slim casing, only 13 mm, underlines the aesthetics of the panel. The round LED Line EasyFix panel will be ideal for your home, living room or bedroom, for example, but also for the office, restaurant or hotel. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please contact us at the phone number or email address.